What if I told you that while most people are sleeping, someone else is making money? Not because they're working overtime, not because they're lucky, and not because they were born rich. They're earning money because they own assets that never stop working. Every night, millions of dollars flow into the bank accounts of investors, business owners, landlords, and content creators, even while they're asleep. The truth is, the biggest difference between the wealthy and everyone else isn't how hard they work. It's how they make their money. Poor people trade time for money. Rich people build systems that generate money with little or no daily effort. In this video, I'll show you 7 passive income strategies wealthy people use to build long-term wealth. Let's get started. Most people grow up believing there's only one way to earn money. Go to school, get a job, work 8 hours a day, repeat for the next 40 years. There's nothing wrong with working hard, but the moment you stop working, your income usually stops too. Wealthy people think differently. Instead of asking, how can I earn more money? They ask, how can I build something that keeps earning money without me? Passive income doesn't mean making money without doing anything. It usually takes effort in the beginning, but once the system is built, it can keep generating income for months or years with far less work than a traditional job. Now let's look at the first strategy. Number 1, dividend-paying stocks. Imagine owning a tiny piece of companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, or Johnson & Johnson. Many businesses share a portion of their profits with shareholders through payments called dividends. That means if you own dividend-paying stocks, you can receive cash regularly, whether you're working, relaxing, or sleeping. Here's a simple example. Invest $10,000 in dividend stocks with a 4% average yield, and over a year you could earn around $400. Not life-changing on its own, but many investors reinvest those dividends to buy more shares, which generate even more dividends. Over time, this creates a snowball effect where your money starts making more money. The key isn't getting rich overnight. It's letting time and consistency do the heavy lifting. Number 2, index funds. If you don't know which individual stocks to pick, index funds solve that problem. Instead of betting on one company, an index fund spreads your money across hundreds of businesses at once. If one struggles, others can still grow, reducing your risk. Many investors also use dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount every month regardless of market conditions. Over long periods, consistent investing combined with compound growth has helped ordinary people build serious wealth. You don't need to predict the next hot stock. You need a strategy you can stick with for years. Number 3, real estate. Most people think of real estate as a home to live in. Wealthy people think of it as an asset that pays them. A property owner buys a house or apartment and rents it out. Tenants pay rent every month, and after covering the mortgage, taxes, and maintenance, whatever's left is cash flow. Over time, the property may also appreciate in value. So the tenant is helping pay down the mortgage, the property could be gaining value, and the owner earns income every month. It's not fully passive. Repairs and vacancies happen, which is why many investors hire property managers to handle the day-to-day. The lesson: wealthy people buy assets that generate income, not just things that lose value over time. Number 4, digital products. You don't always need thousands of dollars to build passive income. Sometimes your knowledge alone is the asset. Say you're great at budgeting. You build a simple budgeting spreadsheet and sell it online. It might take a few days to create, but once it's done, one person can buy it today, another next week, and hundreds more over the following months. No inventory, no shipping. The internet handles delivery. The work happens up front. Then the product keeps generating income long after it's finished. Number 5, content creation. A single video can keep reaching people for months, even years after it's published. Upload one helpful video today. Someone watches tomorrow. Another finds it through search next month. 6 months later, it's still getting views. If that content is monetized through ads or sponsorships, it keeps earning long after the work is done. Most creators don't go viral overnight. Their early videos barely get views. The difference is they keep improving, and every new video becomes another asset working in the background. Number 6, Affiliate marketing. This one doesn't require creating your own product at all. You earn by recommending things people already want to buy. You share a product using a special tracking link. If someone buys through it, you earn a commission at no extra cost to them. A finance YouTuber recommends a budgeting app. A tech reviewer recommends a laptop. The key is trust. Creators who give honest, useful recommendations instead of promoting, build an audience that keeps coming back. Number 7. Businesses built on systems. This is the strategy that ties everything together. The wealthiest people don't just earn income from a job. They own businesses that keep generating revenue without needing their constant attention. As a business grows, the owner hires people, automates tasks, and delegates. The goal isn't to stop working completely. It's to spend more time building systems than doing every task yourself. Employees get paid for hours worked. Business owners build systems that keep producing value over time. It's not easy. It takes years of hard work and mistakes. But once the systems are in place, the business can run even when the owner isn't working every minute of the day. Let's recap the 7 strategies: dividend-paying investments, index funds, rental real estate, digital products, content creation, affiliate marketing, and businesses that run on systems. None of them promise instant riches. Every one of them takes patience and consistency. Poor people work for money. Wealthy people build assets that make money work for them. You don't need to master all 7 today. Start with 1. Learn it, stay consistent, then build the next. If you found this video valuable, like it and subscribe to Wealth Nexo. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.